Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Kingston, Jamaica, there lived a man named Mike. Renowned throughout the island, he was not just any dancer, he was the best Jamaican dancer, known for his electrifying moves that captured the spirit of reggae and dancehall. Every Saturday night, the local club, Dancehall Paradise, would transform into a canvas for Mike's artistry. As the music pulsed through the air, he would step onto the floor, the crowd erupting into cheers. His signature move, the Jamaican wave, had everyone mesmerized as he flowed like water, his body perfectly syncing with the rhythm. One night, a renowned dance crew from abroad arrived, and the challenge was set, a dance-off to determine who truly ruled the dance scene. With the stakes high and pride on the line, Mike knew he had to give it his all. The night commenced, with dancers spinning, flipping, and showcasing their best moves. But when it was Mike's turn, the energy shifted. He took a deep breath, closed his eyes, and let the music guide him. He infused every step with a piece of Jamaica's rich culture, from the bounce of the dancehall beats to the sway of the reggae rhythms. The crowd roared as he filled the room with passion and authenticity. As he finished, the audience stood in awe. The judges, moved by his performance, declared Mike the champion. His heart swelled with pride, not just for winning, but for sharing the essence of his homeland through dance. That night, he didn't just dance. He united everyone in a celebration of culture, joy, and the irreplaceable spirit of Jamaica.